This is a presentation for MERN stack. So MERN, MERN is a tech stack that is used to create full stack applications. MERN is an acronym where M stands for MongoDB, E stands for Express.js, R stands for React.js, and N stands for Node.js. So, in any web app, there are mainly two parts. One part is visible to user, where the user can interact and see the information, perform operations. Mainly the part that is visible to us is the front end part, which can be coded by vanilla JavaScript or React. React is a library which is more efficient and industry standard, and the operations we are performing on the front end side are managed by a server that is backend side, and that is not accessible to the end user. And during interaction from the front end, the requests that come from the front end are handled by the server, and they come via API calls. So there are three types of API calls: get, post, and delete. To get any information from the server side, we use get call. To post some information or update some information, we use post call. And to delete, we use the delete API call. API can be called by fetch or Axios, and the server side is uh, coded by Node.js or the Express.js library. We can code everything by Node.js, but Express.js provides us several extra predefined functions which are very much useful to create server. And there we add required middlewares which will process the incoming or outgoing requests like express.json. We can we can create API routes to manage the database operations. So database is the place where we store our data. So in the MERN stack, the database we use is MongoDB because it is very much easily managed by JavaScript. So to manage a card operation, we create different kind of API routes in the Node.js and communicate with the database via API calls. So overall, this is the whole structure of a full stack application. In front end part, we interact with the web application. In the server part, we manage the incoming and outgoing requests and perform the required operations. And in the database, we store the data. So, and the communication between all three sides happens by API calls. So this is my understanding about MERN stack, and we use the these technologies together because the common part of these are the JavaScript. So by learning one language, we can manage the whole full stack application. That's why MERN stack is popular, and uh, it provides ease of learning. Thank you.